Backing up the database from the cPanel. How you can back up WordPress from the cPanel. You move to the file manager to select the particular file you want to back up. From the file manager, you can go click on the public HTML. List public HTML. Then you select the particular file you want to back up. But from this environment, you have so many files to be back up. Let me back up the entire file together with WordPress. So I can select all. I've selected the all files to the backup. Then I try to compress. So I compress it to zip file. So let me call it the name of the file to be compressed as backup. Backup. And click on backup. So it's backing up. After backing up the entire file, I can download. It's trying to back up all the files. Creating the backup files. Just give it some second to back up. Some minute to back up. The backup process is going. It took some minutes because you have so many files under this file manager apart from WordPress. You wait till backup is completed, and once backup is completed, you can download. The backup has been completed, so I can refresh, reload to refresh. It has been refreshed. This is the backup files. Let me remove the dots in front of the backup. Okay. Load. So I can download the file. The download process is going. So after I might have backed up the file, so the next thing is to back up from the file manager. The next thing is to back up the database. So that means I have to go back to the control panel, to the main panel environment, where you see all the items. Then you put onto database phpMyAdmin. So from there you can access the database. So the database files needs to be, all these files will be needed to be backed up. You pick the file one after the other and export or one of the other. We export the first database and export, we move to the next one, mentor X. You export that one also. We move to the third one. So you export that one also. Then move to the fourth one, which is the last one. You export that one also. So how many databases have I exported here? That's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I think I've not done the last one. Let me export the last database. Export. So you need both the database and the files. If you want to restore the database, so you can watch my next video for how you can restore the database and also the file. Thanks.